Car insurance deductible 500 or 1000. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made while shopping for car insurance is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. Now to the question, $500 or $1,000 deductible. Most often, a lower deductible means higher monthly payments. If you have a low deductible, you have more coverage from your insurance company, and you have to pay less out of pocket in the case of a claim. A higher deductible means a reduced cost in your insurance premium. For example, say your policy has a line of $5,000 in coverage. A low deductible of $500 means your insurance company is covering you for $4,500. A higher deductible of $1,000 means your company would then be covering you for only $4,000. Since a lower deductible equates to more coverage, you'll have to pay more in your monthly premiums to balance out this increased coverage. The most important consideration while deciding between $500 and $1,000 deductible is whether you could afford a higher deductible in the case of an incident. What does your emergency fund look like? If you have a $1,000 deductible, you would then have to pay that $1,000 in the case of a claim. Could you pay that money out of pocket in order to repair your car? If the answer is no, you'll want a lower deductible to ensure you are not left without in a bind to repair your automobile. If you have that money on hand at any point, it might be worth opting for a higher deductible. Don't start raising your deductible just because you can't afford the monthly or annual payments. There are other ways to lower your premiums, like shopping around and bundling your auto and home insurance. If you couldn't afford to make your deductible tomorrow, you need a lower deductible. If you're a good driver with a high tolerance for risk, you can raise your deductible. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,